Hey guys, today we have Bittrex down. So I just checked, I bought some more Steam, I bought some more cryptocurrencies. I wanted to send them over to my wallet and they're down. It's not just Steam that's down, it's not just Verge that's down, it's 90% of them. They're all flashing this. I'm going to show it right now. So that is pretty much what you have seen. Most likely you're on this video because you're freaking out. You're like, oh my gosh, what is going on? Let's talk about that today. My name is Michael Cabrera. A server fell down. It's getting rebooted. So let's do it quickly. Boom. Stay tuned. Okie dokie. So I have no idea what this is. I've heard about this for the first time before. It's some Linux-based server. It's an infrastructure as a service, an IaaS. It's called Azure. It's by Microsoft. It was rebooting itself due to a CPU vulnerability. So some intel leaked, and they don't want to get hacked. So they're like, oh, we need to restart everything. Now, when they're restarting everything, pretty much the server falls down. And Bittrex must have had a lot of stuff on the server. It's not exactly the website. The website's not down, but the wallets are maintained by this. And it's an instant cloud computing service provider. So as soon as they're resetting, I mean, they pretty much reset themselves, but now the wallets, so I don't know, there's a lot of technical stuff to do with this. 90% of them are down. Bitcoin is up, and I think Litecoin was up. So for me, like it was a weird thing. It keeps changing, but we're pretty much used to this since over the past couple of months or years, as you've been using these exchanges, you've noticed that, I can buy or sell, but I can't withdraw to my wallet. I can't really send it out. And what do? You have to wait. Now, with Steam, this was a huge problem on Polonix. That's actually one of the main reasons I left Polonix, because it was down for weeks and weeks at a time, and then under maintenance. And since Polonix at that time was the largest Steam provider, and they had like, $80 million worth of Steam or whatever it was, well, when it's down for weeks at a time, of course the price is falling down because no one can withdraw it to their wallets. No one can really use it on the Steam platform. So you can just buy or sell it. And the people who had it were like, well, screw this, I'm selling, there we go. Or, you can't even send it off to another exchange. Other exchanges like Bittrex, they were able to fix it much quicker. So any other exchange, I'm sure there's smaller ones that were using this Azure service provider. Hey, if you're using it, you see your wallet down for maintenance, it should be up soon. And what you can do is check out the links down below. I went to the Bittrex maintenance page, which is actually funny because they have a spelling error. Literally the third thing. This page displays, it's missing an I there, but it shows you the ones that are normally working, the delayed, the blocked ones are inactive. Now it doesn't go through all the details, and yeah, it's a little interesting seeing a bunch of these just inactive. So Dogecoin, we see PPC, FTC, RDD, NXT, ETH, I mean all these pretty large ones just disabled. So anyways, that's the Bittrex update. Hopefully it gets working soon, I guess. But anyways, the good news is cryptocurrencies are booming. So stay tuned. Let's chat about that. My name is Michael Cabrera, and we shall see you guys tomorrow. Well, actually in a couple of hours because we'll be live streaming and all that. So exciting day. Buy some more crypto. Hold. But actually, like, don't fall into the FOMO that you're like, oh no, I'm freaking out. Buy the ones that are down a lot. Well, do your research so it's not like they're just down because they're crap and they're falling apart, but the ones that are down, but they still have a good community project. They're not like the other ones, they're kind of sticking out and they'll follow suit pretty soon. So anyways, peace.